Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask ChatGPT a question. Whether you are using ChatGPT for fun, learning, or work, you can easily ask any question to ChatGPT. First of all, open up your ChatGPT application on your mobile device and then make sure that you're logged in. Once you do that, you will see a text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type in your questions. Type your question as clearly as possible. For example, I'm gonna ask this question over here. After you type down your question, click on the send arrow button at the bottom right corner facing upwards, and this will then send the prompt to ChatGPT. If you need more details, you can also ask a follow-up questions. Just keep chatting like a conversation. ChatGPT will start generating a response automatically. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to ask ChatGPT a question in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.